حمدك يا الله الصلاة والسلام عليك يا رسول الله. This is how everyone does sacrifices on the order of Holy Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiyallahu ta'ala anhu is also sacrificed his home, our religion, to the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Assalamu alaikum everyone, thank you for having me. I'm going to be speaking to you today about the role of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiyallahu ta'ala anhu in the stability of the state of Medina. We should know that the title of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiyallahu ta'ala anhu is specially for his eminence, and it cannot be applied to anyone else. Salman Farsi and Abu Zar al-Ghafari said that the Holy Prophet held the hand of his eminence and said, "Indeed, there is the person who was the first to bring faith in me, and he is the discriminator of right and wrong in this nation, and he is the chief of believers, and he is the one who shall meet me first on the day of judgment, and he is the Siddiq Akbar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu." Respected chief guest, I'm going to give the morning call with happiness today in this intelligent house. Honorable chief guest, describing the role of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiyallahu ta'ala anhu is like showing a lamp to the sun, because Siddiq Akbar's role in the stability of the state of Medina is the most important. Honorable chief guest, Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiyallahu ta'ala anhu is the messenger of Rasul sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, who contributed in the stability of the state of Medina by his words and actions, appearance, speed and speech, style of conversation, lifestyle, way of socializing and duty, on which Ibn Jawzi said that he is the complete example of a good human. The stability of the state of Medina, it be from the present aspect, from defensive aspect, or from the ideological point of view. In every aspect, Siddiq Akbar played a perfect role in the stability of the state of Medina. Under the leadership of Hazrat Osama bin Zaid, the army marched by Rasul sallallahu alayhi wa sallam to take the revenge of Ghazwa Mota and turned back at the time of Isal Mustafa. Apostasy arose. People refused to give zakat. After the burial of Mustafa, Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq sent a message to the opponents with the wise decision of Lashkar Osama, departed that our internal defense system is strong and ideologically stabilized the state of Medina by dispatching the Badri companions in the battle of Yamama. Respected chief guest, at the time of Isal Mustafa, the lightning struck the hearts and minds of the companions of the Prophet. At that time, management of the state of Medina began to disperse. It was the moment when the companions began to feel themselves blind. If they can see, then to whom they could see. The moment when the companions started to feel themselves deaf, and then who should they listen to? At that moment, when the companions began to feel themselves deaf, then who should to listen to? Even Farooq Azam said that whoever said that the messenger Rasul sallallahu alayhi wa sallam left this world, I will behead him. Respected chief guest, in such circumstances, Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiyallahu ta'ala anhu played a unique role in the stability of the state of Medina by training Mustafa to obey God and controlling the emotions of the Holy Prophet companions. The river of grace of the Prophet, wherever they are, that is the door of Siddiq Akbar, that is always open for his supinators. Thank you.